Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Amy if you're brand new to this channel. For today's video, I wanted to do my very first luxury unboxings of 2020. I'm gonna start off with a couple of items that I got from Julia. So Julia is a premium artisan jewelry company. I discovered them last year. They make beautiful jewelry. Most of them are sterling silver. I would say that they are pretty much fine jewelry. But a lot of their sterling silver pieces are also gold plated, so it really depends on what you choose, and they make their own in-house stones. So I'm gonna unbox these two pieces of jewelry that they have kindly sent to me. This is not a sponsored video, but I truly love their pieces. In fact, I'm wearing one of them here. This is a ring that I custom made. It is solid sterling silver and plated in rose gold. I also customize all the stones and the colors of the stones as well as the color of the ring. I'm also wearing another ring here on my other hand. So this ring here on my index finger is a sterling silver ring. It's just a really dainty sort of stackable ring. As you can see, it's completely adjustable. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's start off with the bigger box. So this is the first item. Look at the box. It's velvet lined. Even the box, the packaging is all top-notch. And I got another tennis bracelet. What I really love about these tennis bracelets is that it comes in this beautiful bolo chain. So I am wearing it right now at the smallest setting, and as you can see, it even fits my tiny little wrist. So as you can tell, it will fit pretty much any size wrist. So there you go. This is the emerald cut tennis bracelet, and it's completely adjustable. As you can see, there's all this much to adjust to your arm. I'm wearing their cocktail ring that I had from them before, and with the new bracelet, which is a lot more substantial than my other one. So this is my other one. I can also put a side by side. So as you can see, it's a really blinged up look, perfect for when you have those big occasions. I'm also gonna wear my other one, the princess cut one, just so that you can have a visual. They're both super stunning. You really can't go wrong with either. I feel like I could probably stack them too. I can also lend it to my mom because I know that this bigger size emerald cut one would go super well on her because she has thicker wrists and she has bigger bones than me. So I feel like it would look so good on her. Onto the second box. And it is a pair of beautiful earrings. So these earrings are actually kind of a matching set to this. They both are made of emerald set stones. So as you can see, there's emerald cut here. They look just like diamonds, but like I said, these are Julia stones, so they have their own in-house stones, and the way they make them just shines like a diamond. It's so pretty, and of course it goes super well with the whole set. I even love wearing it with my ansi necklace. So this is a solitaire white sapphire, I believe, and it's also sterling silver, and it's rhodium plated, so it won't tarnish. Let's move on to one of the Chanel items. As you can see, I have here the holiday packaging. So this item, I actually did buy it end of last year, so in December of 2019. I feel like Asia, Europe, as well as United States, they tend to get stuff a little bit earlier than we do. We usually are a little bit slower than everybody else, so including the packaging. So these holiday packaging, we only got it around Christmas, so it's really late, and I know that, but that's the reason why. And it's just a small item. It's just a small box, but I did get that bigger bag. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I really love this camellia. I really didn't want to miss out on this camellia and these beautiful ribbons, only just because I don't know why. I just feel like these camellias are so well made. Like the fabric that they use is so much more substantial, and I feel like the camellia alone, I can just add a pin to it and then I can wear it, right? I mean, look at it, it's so fun. I was even thinking of making like a DIY something with these. Let me know what ideas that you have. I was thinking either like a belt, or like I don't know, what else can I do with this? There's so many things I can do with this. Maybe like a headband, so I can buy a headband and then put this on top of the headbands. Nothing big, just starting a little bit slow for the first unboxing of the year. Of course, it comes with all the little booklets and documentation, and judging from this, you can probably tell that it's a piece of SLGs. And you guys know I'm not big on SLG, but when I saw this, I was really attracted to it, and then I think you guys will understand why. So here you have it. It's a little card holder. This is the So Black card holder in the Gabrielle line. So it's the Gabrielle So Black card holder, and it has one slip pocket on the front, one in the middle, so the main compartment, as well as two on the back. And as you can see, the bottom is just like the Gabrielle bottom, just like the Gabrielle bag. And I love that the hardware is a shiny ruthenium, distressed calfskin here on top, and then the bottom, I feel like it's just a smooth calfskin. And it is a 29 series, and then also this item was made in Italy. So the inside is just lined in a black nylon fabric. But yeah, that's my little SLG that I got. This was part of the 2020 cruise collection. Here is the last item from Chanel. This I officially got in 2020. I got it literally 2 days ago, and obviously no more Christmas packaging. They were all gone by then. Here's the proof of purchase. I have the proof of purchase for the card holder too. It's just that I already stowed it away, but the card holder was 460 Canadian dollars plus tax, if I remember correctly, which I thought was very reasonable, because a lot of the Chanel pricing, I don't want to say that they're inconsistent, but it's just that sometimes their items are really overpriced and sometimes they're more decently priced. So I thought that this was one of the more decently priced item for a card holder nowadays. So that's why I got it. Plus it was a, you know, a So Black line, which usually they are a little bit more pricey. So in this box, I actually haven't seen it yet because I literally bought it 2 days ago. And the little booklet again. And judging from the size, you can probably tell what it is or what kind of things it is. And it is a pair of Chanel earrings. The reason why I went with these earrings is because of the size. They are very, very large. These are probably my largest studs that I own in the regular CC design. And I just love these because they are very sparkly. There's lots of different size stones on it, and they are actually a very light champagne gold. But because it's so sparkly, you can even wear silver with it. You can't even tell that it's silver or gold from this. These are just from the classic line, so if you guys are interested, I'll of course have the style code down below, so that if you want to get a hold of these, I think these are stunning. This is a very, very light champagne gold, but you can almost can't tell from the color, right? It really is a champagne gold. It's very, very beautiful. It almost has like a 3D sort of curve. It's very, very stunning. It feels very substantial. Here's a size reference to these earrings as well as these. As you can see, this is really white. Like the stones on this is really white, so you can tell a little bit more that this is a little bit more champagne gold. It's not quite silver, but without it you can not tell that it's silver, right? I mean, you can tell that it's a gold tone color, but it is definitely a gold tone color. So there you have it, side by side. They look stunning. Both of them are stunning, but these are definitely a little bit more statement. They are stunning. I love them. Like I said, they are the classic line. I'll link them down below. Not the actual earrings, but the style code, just so that if you're interested. These were 595 Canadian dollars plus tax, so it's around $600 plus tax. And I think that they're stunning. They are pricey, but they are still in the more or less decent price range for Chanel, honestly, because nowadays Chanel earrings can be upwards of 1,000 or more, and they're getting really pricey. I have a few pairs that are upwards of that kind of price range, and it's ridiculous. So that's it for this video. It's just unboxing of little bits and pieces here and there. And of course, I wanted to show you the beautiful holiday packaging and all these beautiful pieces from Julia. I highly recommend them. These tennis bracelets I tend to wear a lot. I wear them on a daily basis, so this will be a beautiful addition. In fact, I don't know, I feel like my mom would really like this, so I feel like this is something that I can possibly pass on to her as well when she comes visit. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I highly recommend these. I think that if anything from Julia, if there's anything that they make the best, in my opinion, are these beautiful bracelets, because they just are stunning. They're neutral, they're really good for everyday wear, and they go super well with any wedding set. If you have a wedding set, they just really complement the whole look. And even if you layer them with other things such as a watch, plus they're really well priced. I mean, the costume jewelry costs more than these fine jewelry, so in a way I feel like this is better bang for your buck. Especially if you were to get anything from Julia, I feel like get a tennis bracelet. They are just stunning, beautiful, top-notch. Anyway, I will have everything linked down below. Like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're brand new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like, comment down below, say hi. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed my first unboxing of 2020, and I'll talk to you guys again very soon. Bye!